Alright, hopefully I can capture this. What I'm gonna do is rev the car, and I'm not gonna let my foot off the gas at a certain point. So it's like maybe 10% gas is right there. And I'm just holding it. Now watch the tach. I'm not letting off the gas at all. I'm holding that position, but it's slowly going down. Now watch, if I let go, the car almost dies. And even crazier, if I go to like 3,000, look, it jumps all over the place. And I let go. Yeah, I don't know what that is. If anyone has any insight, that would be fantastic. I don't know if it's a fuel issue. But it's like there's the pressure's messed up in the engine. It can't hold pressure or something. I don't know, maybe it's a head gasket issue. I don't know if anyone has any experience with what could cause that or which one it might be. Please leave a comment. Thank you.